Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we have Hexapon we want to use for making Izal. We have Carbonic. These are the ingredients for Izal. We have Lysol, we have pine oil mixed with phenol, then we have the fragrance, Izal Fragrance, then we have the thickener. Okay, these are the ingredients we want to use in making Izal. Izal is a disinfectant. The first thing you do is to pour the pine oil mixed with phenol into the bowl. That is number one. Then you are going to add your Hexapon to it and mix it together properly. Add Hexapon to your pine oil mixed with phenol. If the bottle is big enough, you can add the Hexapon to the bottle having the phenol with pine oil. Then you shake it properly. It will mix very easily in a bottle. But if not, you can stir it the way I'm doing. You add your Hexapon and then you stir it very well. You can see that it's properly mixed before you now add your Carbonic. Add your Carbonic and stir again. Every ingredient that you add, you stir thoroughly to ensure that everything is mixed up completely. Now this is the thickener. I'm adding the thickener. I have the thickener in 2 bottles. So you pour everything into the bowl. Add the 2 bottles into the bowl. Then you stir again vigorously. Stir very well to allow the ingredients to mix up together very well. So you stir it very well. Mix it very well. This product is very effective in keeping your toilet, your floors free from germs. You can use it in mopping water. So you can use it in mopping water. Okay, so you add your fragrance before you add water. Now I have 8 liters measured out. Each of those kegs water is 4 liters. 2 of them making 8 liters. Just pour inside and stir again very well. Pour inside and stir again very well before you continue with the remaining ingredients. Now this type of Izal does not have a offensive smell, so some people can use it in bathing water. You can add it to your bathing water to just take away the germs, kill the germs, and make your water safe for use. So I poured in the 8 liters of water. The next thing is that I'm going to stir it very well. You allow it to mix very well. About Izal is just like Dettol. When you are making it, you must be specific with the measurements, especially when it has to do with water. You don't have to pour in water as more than necessary. So now after stirring, I'm adding my Lysol, and then it is ready. Just stir it again. Very easy to make, simple, but the product is very effective. Stir again and your Izal is ready for use. You have to test the potency of the product. You have to go by the measurement that you have. You don't have to add more water than necessary. So I'm testing for the potency of the product. You can see it just like